These pizza bites will have your kids begging to go to school. It's back to school time and you need lunch ideas. You can't be packing peanut butter and jelly sandwiches every day. Your kid's gonna get sick of it. These pizza bites are so delicious, your kid will be out at the bus stop before the sun even comes up. Start off with some pizza dough. If you can't find the pre-made pizza dough, use crescent rolls or roll out some biscuits. It all works. Use a glass to cut out some little baby pizzas, and then you're gonna put those into a greased muffin tin. Now it's time for the fun part. Pizza. You need some sauce. You need some mozzarella cheese. After that, you can go crazy. Whatever toppings your kids prefer. I'm going to keep it real simple with these. We're just doing some mozz cheese and some little baby pepperonis. I encourage you to do these with your children. Set some time aside on a Sunday. Make some pizzas together. Let them pick what toppings they want. Not only are they getting a delicious homemade lunch, but they're learning how to cook. Once you got everything you want on your little pizzas, they're going into the oven, tree fit it till I crib it, which in this case is 350 degrees for 22 minutes. That's it. The hard part's over. Now all we got to do is pack their lunch. Starting off, we got a little vanilla yogurt that we're going to top with some little baby M&Ms for a little sweet treat. Then we got some vegetables, carrots, celery, tomatoes, and a little ranch dipping sauce. Now we just load up those pizza bites. Of course they're good hot, but they're also good cold. Think of a pizza Lunchable that you made at home. Boom, lunch is served. I am telling you guys,